Hello, English language learners. Namita welcomes you to her world of Learning Academy. And I'm back with the part 2 video on syllables and word stress. In the previous video, we have seen what a syllable means. Then we checked what word stress means. And also, we had a look at all those rules related to word stress and nouns, verbs, adjectives, prepositions, and so on. But in today's video, we are going to have a look at word stress and suffixes. How does suffix play an important role in word stress? What are we waiting for? Let us move on then. I welcome you all for today's topic on syllables and word stress. Rule 8e. Words ending in e, ear, and is, stress is almost always placed on the suffix. Example: absentee, licensee, referee, refugee, auctioneer, engineer, mountaineer, volunteer, Chinese, Japanese, Portuguese, and Vietnamese. Rule 8b. Verbs ending in ology, stress is placed on the syllable where all appears. Example: astrology, ecology, ideology, neurology, psychology, technology, urology, and zoology. Rule 8c. Words ending in ossus, primary stress is placed on the syllable in which or appears. Example: diagnosis, hypnosis, mitosis, osteoporosis, prognosis, symbiosis, and tuberculosis. Rule 8d. Words ending in es and es, primary stress is placed just before the syllable in which e or e appears. Example: bounteous, righteous, advantageous, miscellaneous, simultaneous, contagious, hilarious, mysterious, obvious, rebellious, and superstitious. Rule 8e. Words ending in ear, primary stress is placed before the syllable in which ear appears. Example: bacteria, dementia, insomnia, leukemia, encyclopedia, nostalgia, suburbia, trivia, and utopia. Rule number 8f. Words ending in eel, primary stress is placed just before the syllable in which eel appears. Example: adverbial, bacterial, confidential, editorial, influential, judicial, memorial, official, referential, superficial, and territorial. Rule 8g. Words ending in ick or ickle, primary stress is placed just before the syllable in which ick or ickle appears. Example: atomic, chaotic, democratic, energetic, genetic, nostalgic, sympathetic, electrical, historical, musical, paradoxical, symmetrical, and psychoanalytical. Rule 8h. Words ending in fi, while the primary stress is placed immediately before I, the second syllable of the suffix phi also receives a secondary stress. Example: classify, dignify, electrify, horrify, magnify, notify, objectify, personify, solidify, and verify. Rule 8I. Words ending in ity, primary stress is placed just before the syllable in which ity appears, such as ability, celebrity, disparity, equality, generosity, humidity, legality, majority, practicality, scarcity, and technicality. Rule 8g. Words ending in shun and jun, primary stress is placed just before the syllable in which shun and or jun appears. Example: consolation, discretion, graduation, jurisdiction, nomination, realization, collision, compulsion, fusion, obsession, occasion, and transfusion. Rule 8k. Words ending in 8, primary stress is placed two syllables before the suffix 8. Example: accentuate, collaborate, differentiate, facilitate, humiliate, inadequate, necessitate, obliterate, participate, refrigerate, and unfortunate. Rule 8L. Words ending in CY. Primary stress is placed two syllables before the suffix C. Example: agency, bankruptcy, democracy, expectancy, frequency, proficiency, redundancy. Just as we have rules, we have exception to the rules. Breaking off of the rules in English language, an exception to rule 8L. Here it is. Verbs ending in C, primary stress can also be placed three syllables before the suffix C. Example, such as accuracy, competency, delicacy, immediacy, intimacy, legitimacy, precedency, relevancy, and surrogacy. Rule 8M. Words ending in ish. Primary stress occurs on the syllable immediately before ish. Words like astonish, cherish, demolish, extinguish, furnish, garnish, empowerish, nourish, publish, and tarnish. Rule 9. Suffixes but no word stress. Meaning, certain suffixes do not affect the stress of the base word. Example, coverage, orphanage, cartoonish, yellowish, adulthood, womanhood, directionless, limitless, regardless, nervousness, togetherness, persuasiveness, adventurousness, dangerous, and glamorous. And the last rule, rule number 10, words with multiple pronunciations. Certain suffixes do not affect the stress of the base word, meaning the first word can be pronounced as address or address. Similarly, the second word can be adult or adult, chauffeur or chauffeur, employee or employee, and preferable or preferable. These are the websites you can refer for future study. All these links will be given in the description box below. Time for the take-home message now. Firstly, download a dictionary app. Any dictionary app would help. Also download a listening app. Listening English apps. There are many listening apps. Moreover, there are speaking apps too. And all these apps are going to help you. After all, it is an app world. So, we are going to be smart enough by downloading these apps in our smartphones, and this is going to help us speak English correctly, because the more you listen correct English, the more you are going to speak better and better ever after. That's it from my side today. If you liked the video today, please share it with your friends. Don't forget to comment upon. Moreover, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and also I'll come with more such videos every week. Thank you. Bye. Namaste.